everyone, Elizabeth here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box. This is the May beauty box. Look Fantastic is a British beauty boutique online. So the first thing is beautiful box, orange box. Confidence is the ultimate shield. Hashtag LF beauty box. Pretty. Then we have the booklet. It has all the good stuff in there. The next is the Elle magazine. Cute. Then we've got the packaging. That's what it looks like inside. So it looks. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let's follow along here. Alrighty, so what's in the box? The first thing is the Polar's Northern Light Cream, and it's 1750 pounds. This is it says, reveal a radiant and flawless complexion with Polar's Northern Light Soothing Cream, harnessing the powers of the Siberian olive tree. Okay, so it's just a cream. I'll go ahead and open see them. Check it out. Ooh, it's an orangey color. Let's smell it. The smell test. There's vitamin C. It's good. It doesn't have much of a smell. Maybe like a peachy smell. Okay. The next thing is, let's see, this lip liner. Lip pencil by Mellow Gel. This is, let's see what's the color. Aria. I love lip pencils. And I really like this color. It's like a nude. See that? It's really nice. Cool, I like that. Next we have, let's see, Wella Professionals Invigio Nutri-Rich with Goji Berry Deep Nourishing Mask. Okay, so I guess it's a mask for the hair. Okay, apply after shampooing, massage into lengths of hair and leave for 5 minutes. It's for dry and damaged locks. So that's pretty cool. Next we have Avant Hyaluronic Align Retinol Palmitate. I don't know, there's so many things here. Anyway, it's an 8-hour retexturing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum. I'll eventually learn how to pronounce that. So, apply this serum to damp skin after cleansing. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow serum to absorb before moisturizing. So, let's see how. So, it's a serum. Looks creamy. Doesn't have much of a smell. Okay, well, I love serums. This will be nice. It's very smooth. I like it. Okay, let's see what's next. We have this little goodie. It's a Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. Ooh, I like. By Skin Chemist. Can't go wrong with eye pads. I don't think I've ever used anything like this. I've used masks, but not eye pads. But look how nice they are. I can't wait to use them. Apply it directly underneath the eyes onto cleansed skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Hydrate and refresh the delicate skin under your eyes with hydrogel. And it's enriched with ultra hydrating, again, hyaluronic acid and powerful antioxidants. Perfect for the tired eyes or for treating fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, I like it. Can't wait to use that. Okay, next is the Invisible Color, Everyday Glow, Gradual Tan Color Extender, an untinted daily moisturizer with a touch of tan. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. So this, how to use, apply to freshly cleansed skin. Use sparingly around knuckles, knees, ankles, and elbows. Give the skin a gorgeous glow with this gradual tanning lotion. Well, if you can see my dark skin, I don't need tanning lotion, but it's cool. I'll give it away to somebody, I'm sure. So this self-tan moisturizes, extends the life of tan, and soothes dry skin. So pretty good. So I like all of the items I got. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items plus the magazine. The beauty box is, it's a monthly subscription that starts from $16 a month and up. So it's pretty cool because I never would have tried these products before, and very interested in trying a few of these, especially these. I like that a lot. Well, thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Bye.